Well, here's one of the Strombergs. Polish that up a little bit. That looks a lot nicer than it did. Here's one that. Here's the next one to work on. But ran into a little problem. Cleaned everything up and started replacing some of the aluminum. Can't think. Started replacing some of the aluminum washers and the rubber O-rings and stuff like that. And got to. I also, what I did is I take and I check this for level. I have some 1, 2, 3 blocks. Here's, or even just one of these. And that wasn't level. That wasn't flat before. And so what I did is I take and I wet sand this. Wet sand that. See how that's shiny? Right, and I don't take too much material off, but I just want it flat. Same thing here. But the issue is this is the butterfly or the valve. What do they call it? Let's see. The spindle. Well, the spindle is worn and you can see it. See where my fingernail is? That's bad. That's actually really bad. And what that means is not so bad on this side, but what that means, let's see if I can explain this. Put this in. So what will happen, see how there's a little bit of side to side back here? You can even hear it. You can see it moving back and forth. You hear that? So what will happen is when this is closed, right about there, sorry, pay attention to the camera, right about there, that vacuum will get through, right? Suction will come through. So I gotta either make some new of these, like build these up, which you can do, or get some new ones. So I'm gonna go see if I can't buy some new ones and just tighten this up a little bit if it's too bad. And here's the test, right? So you test it, put it on a new part, and there's not as much, right? There's a lot of play here. Look at all that play. There, now you can see it. Well, there's not as much play there. So that should just be the spindle. If the play didn't go away when I moved it over, then that's the body. And then what you have to do is drill this out and put sleeves in, which we can do. But I'd rather not do it. Anyway, so this is an update. On the next video, I'll actually show taking apart a complete carb and etc. But I just thought I'd show one of the things to look for. This is a big one. More later.